I made it from the kids' church.
What?
The prodigal son. For the son was dead and is alive again. She was lost and is found. And they began to celebrate. Luke chapter 15 verse 24. May two sons yung father.
Okay.
Diba ito sila?
Mm-mm.
Ito yung younger brother, tapos ito yung older brother, tapos ito yung father nila.
Okay.
Tapos ito, binigyan ng father nila yung younger son, tapos nagselos yung older son. Kaya ayun, umalis siya. Ayun. Yun po yung story.
Oh, yung younger son, saan siya nagpunta?
He goes to the party, tapos naubusan siya ng pera at saka food, kaya siya nagutom.
Oh, then?
Tapos finig niya yung pigs, tapos nagugutom pala siya, tapos ayaw ng pig, bigyan siya. Kaya naghingi siya dun sa mga farmer, tapos may maganda siyang isip. Pumunta siya sa father niya, tapos magsasorry siya. Because hinag niya, di ba?
Ah, wow.
Kunyari ako to.
Okay. Oh.